Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw GIBLE from Pokemon. We're going to be drawing this character from the side facing towards the left. So let's start with the front ear. So starting in the center of our page, we're going to draw a curve. It comes down, out towards the right, and then back up. Let's go back to the top and curve in the opposite direction. We're going to curve up, round at the top, and then down towards that bottom point. We're going to add a curved stripe along the side. So starting at the very top, I'm going to curve around, then back over towards the left. Now I'm going to step down and draw that same curve. Coming around, then back over towards the left. Now we're going to tuck the eyelid in behind the ear. Starting from this point, I'm going to curve over towards the left, and then down. Now I'm going to tuck an oval underneath the eyelid. Starting from the left, curve down towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now I just want to trace this out on the inside, leave an even space gap all the way around. Now on the top right, I want to add a small circle for a highlight. Now I'm going to fill the inside of the pupil in black. From the front of the eyelid, we're going to step over towards the left. We'll start with the point. Now we're going to draw the back going over towards the fin. So we're going to draw a curve going up, out towards the right, and then down. From the tip of the fin, I'm going to draw an angled line coming down and in. We're not going to go all the way. We're going to stop right about here. We want to add a curved notch, curving in and then down in behind the ear. Now we go back to the front and draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting from this tip, curve in, underneath the eye, and then down towards the corner of the mouth. Let's draw in the lower part of the mouth. From here we're going to curve down, and then out towards the left. Now we want to show the inside of the mouth. So we start at the bottom here, we're going to go up, curve over towards the right. Now we're going to curve up and over towards the tip of the mouth. Let's add the top row of teeth in the back of the mouth. We're going to start up here. We're going to add an angled line coming down, and then we'll taper it back up. Let's do that one more time. Coming down, and then back up. We're going to duplicate those teeth on the inside. So we're going to start up here, angle down, back out, and then one more time. From the bottom of this tooth, we're going to draw the tongue, curving out, and then down. Let's add two fangs along the bottom of the mouth. We're going to start on the outside, we're going to angle up, and then taper it back down. Now we're going to move on the inside and do the same thing. Now we're going to move over and draw on the right arm. So let's start with the fingers first. So starting down here, we're going to start with an angled line. Now we're going to taper it back down. Let's draw another finger. We're going to go out again, and then down. I'm going to draw one more line going out towards the third finger. Now we want to round out the bottom of the arm. Starting from the tip of this finger, curve down, and then pull that up. Now let's draw the top of the arm. Starting about halfway along the top of the finger, curve up, and then out. Now we want to move over towards the right and draw on the leg. So we're going to step over and draw on the leg first, curving out, and then down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's add 3 pointed toes. I'm going to angle down, and then angle back up. Let's do 2 more. Coming down, and back up. Now we'll come out towards the third toe. Now we're going to curve around the back of the leg, and we'll pull that up, aiming towards this point. Now let's go back towards the bottom of the mouth. We're going to curve the belly, coming in behind the leg. Starting out here, we're going to curve down, across, and then in. Now we want to draw on the back of the body. We're going to start from the tip of the ear, curve out, and then down. Now we're going to step up, draw an angled line going up and out towards the right, towards the tip of the tail. Now I'm going to curve the bottom of the body coming in behind the leg, sort of aiming towards this point. Curve down, and then in. Let's add a stripe on the back. Starting from the top of the leg, curve out, and then up. We'll step out and draw that same curve. From the corner of the mouth, I want to draw a trim along the bottom of the body going in behind the arm. So start from the corner of the mouth, curve down, in behind the arm, come down towards the bottom of the arm, curve in behind the leg. Now we want to show the toes on the left foot. Starting out here, curve down and across towards the first toe. Now we're going to angle up and in. Now we're going to do an overlap. From the tip, step up, go straight across, and angle up. Do that one more time. Straight across, go up in behind the body. We also want to show the left arm in behind the body. So we start out here, just on the inside of the mouth, curve out and then down. Now we draw the first finger, angling up. Then we'll taper it back down. And we'll go straight out towards the left. Now from here, we're going to draw on the bottom of the arm. Curve down and then in behind the body. Now up here in the center, draw angled line coming in and then back out. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the tip of the left ear up here. So we start up at the top of the head, start with a point. We curve down and in behind the head. Go back to the tip, we're going to curve in the opposite direction, curving up and then in behind the head. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's GIBLE from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.